Okay, so hello everyone. This TWT Forex Academy. The other day during our last meeting, that was the third day, I promised to make a video on market orders. So I just want to take you through the video now and then show you how all the orders are and how to use them on your MT4. So stay tuned. Okay, so these are the different type of orders. So we have market order, we have limit order, we have the stop order, we have the stop loss order, we have the take profit order. So if you don't understand all these orders, I will advise you go back and then watch my previous videos which I posted on the page. Okay, so this is my MT4 and then I have Euro USD and then GBP USD here. So I'm going to use Euro USD for the example. Okay. Let's say you want to execute trade in the Euro USD market, either a limit order, a stop order, stop loss order, take profit order. This is how you go about it. So watch. Okay, so you long press on the Euro and then you see new order, open chart, symbol, properties, simple view mode. So you go to new order. So now when you go to the new order, so the first box, the region there, you see instant execution. That is the market order. And then the second lane, you see 1.00, that is the region for the lot size that we learned about. Our lot size, I said the lot size is the money you are putting into the trade. So that is 1.00 there, meaning that is $1. So you can decide to change the price there to the one that you want. Let's say 0.110. That is the lot size you want to enter this trade into. And then the left side, where that red line is, the left side, this region, yeah, that side, it is where you put your stop loss. That is the region for stop loss. And then the right side, this area, that's the region for the take profit. And then we learned about spread. As you can see now, you can see there is no spread in the market. You can see the blue and the red line, they are all at one place, so there is no spread. That is a tight spread. So when they open, that is where they are opening the in between. That is where the spread is. That is what your broker is charging you. Okay, so if you want to use instant execution, that is the example we are looking at first. Instant execution. Let's say you want to enter this market now. Let's say, for example, you want to sell this market now. You enter, you put your stop loss number at the left side and then your take profit number at the right side, and then you just go. Let's say, for example, you are selling Euro USD. So we are in the market, this Euro USD, and then it is running. So when you check, you see that our order is being placed in the market. Let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so you see that is a sell there on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, that's our order in the market. So now when you want to place your stop loss, this is what you do. It's either you place it first or you come to this region, you pull out that area, you go to where the pencil is, that small region, and then the left side, that is where you put your stop loss. So say, for example, let's check a stop loss level there. Say, for example, we want to give a stop loss of 1.09495. So that will be 1.09495. That is our stop loss level. So when you want to put your take profit, that is the right side. So with this, for you to make the stop loss active, you have to tap on modify. So modify. meaning your stop loss is now active in the market. So let's check it here. So that's our stop loss, that red line there, passing there, and then you can see SL, that's the stop loss. Okay, let's go for take profit. So say you want to take profit at 1.09225. So you go the pencil again, 1.09225. Then we tap on modify again. Okay, then now our order is in the market. We have our stop loss there, we have our take profit there, and then we have our price there. So that is how the instant execution works. So now we are running in profit. So if you want to close your trade, what you have to do is just pull out this area. Then you come here, then you see close with profit $3.00. Then you just tap on it. Then that trade have been closed. So if you want to check your trade history, you come here. So we place euro US dollar, sell 0.1, and then that was the profit that we made, $2.60. That was the profit we made. Okay, so let's look at the next one. The next one, with the same process, we long press on it, new order, and then now we will tap on the instant execution, and then we have buy limits there. So example, buy limit. So that region is going to change to a buy limit. Now the limit that you are looking at is where you want price to reach before you want to be part of the market. That is the number you copy and then you put it at the region of price. So let's go and check for a place that you use as example. Okay, so this is the market. Let's use the daily time frame for that. Okay, say for example we are watching price to come to this region before we buy. The only thing we have to do is to get the number there. Let's say, so you come and tap on that plus sign, you bring it there. Let's say we have 1.08620, 1.08620. So we go back, we change it to buy limit 1.08620, 1.08620, and then you place it. Then meaning you are in the market. So when you look closely, you see your order is being placed in the market. So with this type of order, you are expecting the market to drop here so that you'll be in the market before going to the upside. So per this order, that is what you are telling the market. And then with this, you have to set your stop loss. So let's say for example, you want to set a stop loss of 1.08065. So we go the pencil again, the left side, 1.08065, another modify. Then when you check it, you see that your stop loss is there. That is the red line. You are telling your broker that should the price move to that region, then that means it should take you out with that loss that you want to take. Okay, so let's go for take profit. Let's say our take profit should be at 1.10915, 1.10915. 915. $1.10915. It should be at the right side. The right side is for the take profit. Then you modify. And it's in the market. Yeah. So we have our stop loss down and we have our take profit at the top. So for the buy limit, you are expecting price to come to that region. You see that area, to that box, and then put you in the market and then start moving up. So that's for the buy limit. That's for the buy limit. Let's say this market didn't come to where you place your limit. Your broker will not put you in the market. Let's say the market turns around this area without coming to where your preferred level is. Your broker will not put you into the market. So unless you come to that region here and then it taps that price level, that is when you be in the market. Let's close this one. You come here and then you delete order. You come here where that circle is with the mark sign. You tap there and then you delete order, and then it will delete it, meaning you are not in the market. So let's look at the next one. So this USD. New order. And then we are going, the next one is a sell limit. For the sell limit, let's say you are keeping eyes on this level for the market to come to this zone before you sell. Let's say maybe per your analysis, that is what you are seeing, that the market is likely to return there, or should the market return there in the future, there will be a drop. So what you have to do is to get that number there. So let's say we have 1.12340. Price column 1.12340. Place. Okay, so let's check it. Okay, so now that's your order. With this order, you are expecting the market to come there and then return from there down. You get me? You are expecting the market to come to that area and then return down. And then with this one we set our stop loss. So let's say we have stop loss of 1.12910. So we come here and then we edit left side 1.12910. You tap on modify. Okay, so that's our stop loss. So you can see the red line there at the top. So that's the stop loss. Hope you can see the red line at the top there. That's our stop loss. Okay, so let's say you want to set a take profit of taking this price. Let's use 1.09490. 1.09490. 1.09490. The same modify. Okay, so now you have your stop loss and you have your take profit. So this is for the sell limit. Then let's close it and go to the next one. Delete it. New order. Then we select the next one, which is the buy stop. Okay, so let's look at the buy stop. Okay, so let's say, for example, for the buy stop, you are expecting the market that if the market breaks above this level, we are going up to the next level. So if the buy stop, you put your stop order above that level there. Let's say per your analysis, and then you know that when the market breaks that level, you are going to the next level. That is where you choose that number there. So say, for example, you have 1.09450. 1.09450. So you go there. $1.09450, and then you place. Let's check. Okay, so that's our order there. You see the order, that green line there. So in the future, if the market returns there, the meaning we are going for a buy, meaning we will be in the market. With this buy stop, you need to set a stop loss. So let's say, for example, you are setting a stop loss of 1.09315. 1.09315, and you place. Okay, so that's your stop loss. You are telling your broker that should the trade reverse against and then comes to that level, you accept that it should take you with this number of loss. So that is it. And then say you are doing your take profit for this, that is 1.09810. 1.09810. 1.09810 modify. Yeah, so you have your stop loss here, you have your order, and then you have your take profit. Now you are not in the market. Why? Because price didn't break your buy stop, so you are still not in the market. So until this price moves from here, this region, and then breaks above, your broker will never put you into the market. So this is about the buy stop. Okay, so let's look at the last one. Let's delete this one. Let's look at the last one, which we have the sell stop. The sell stop. Okay, let's say per your analysis, you know that if the market breaks below this zone, it's going to drop. What you have to do is to just put an order there. That is your sell stop. Why? Because maybe, let's say, after doing your analysis, you discover or you know that if the market breaks this level, you are going to tank down. The market will continue moving down more. So you just have to pick the number. Say, for example, we have 1.09180. Come here, new order, choose sell. $1.09180, place. Now you are in the market. Okay, so now you are in the market, so that's your sell stop. So you are telling the broker that should this market breaks below here, it should put you in the market. And that is the order you are giving to your broker. So let's say you want to put your stop loss, say stop loss of 1.09495. 1.09495. Modify. Okay, so now your stop loss is there. So now you are not in the market. That is why the price is not moving. You will be in the market if price breaks below your stop order. That is the sell stop. That is when you will be in the market. Okay, so with these two, you calculate your take profit. Let's say, for example, let's move to the higher time frame. Let me check. You quickly calculate your take profit. Let's say you want price to return there, or that's the level you are seeing. So let's say 1.08635. 1.08635. Let's use that. Okay, so that's the sell stop. Your take profit is at the front, whilst your stop loss is at the back. Okay, so that's about the orders. That's about all the market orders. So if you want to place it, you come on Euro USD, you long press on it, long press, and then it will come. You go to new order, and then the Forex boss. That is where you change a price. Okay. Another way to go about it is, say for example, you have Euro USD like this. You want to place the trade. You open that plus that is in that folder there at the right corner, the first folder there. You open it and then it will come. So thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and then comment. Share to your friends that are in need of it. Bye bye.